And what about
does.
dogs? So how, like, is there कि ये breed है तो इसका schedule ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये size है तो उनका activity level ये होना चाहिए. How do you schedule it?
So in terms of the breed, definitely I think there are exercises that are breed specific only because different breeds were meant for different purposes.
Right.
Just like she's talking about, rats, we talk about ratting breeds. So you're talking about, say, Yorkshire Terriers. Most of your terrier breeds.
My dog, Frenchie.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So a lot of these terriers were breed specific exercises that we say. So say for hounds, I always recommend do more sniffing exercises because the dog was bred to smell.
Right.
That is one of their major superpowers.
Right.
Same with terriers. We do a lot of like hiding games. A lot of my clients, I even tell them to teach them how to dig.
Okay.
Because they love digging because their job was to kill rats.
Right.
So they love like going into, burrows and digging. So in fact, a lot of times clients will call saying, Mithali, I've got this new Yorkshire Terrier puppy and he's just digging up my walls. I don't understand. I was like, because that's what the dog was meant to do.
Right.
So in terms of the breed, yes, you have to understand the breed and understand what is this breed's, speciality. What is my dog's strength? And definitely maybe look at exercises around that. Having said that, see, today we have dogs at our houses and all of us are busy. We have schedules, we have routines. So it's not always super practical to work around the schedule according to the dog's needs and requirements all the time.
Yeah.
So that is also why I usually tell clients, okay, I sit with the client and I say, okay, what is your work schedule look like? Okay, are you at...
आपका दिन कैसा है? क्या करते हैं
exactly.
आप?
So I sit with the client and say, अच्छा आपका दिन कैसा है? आप कितने बजे काम पे जाते हो? आप आते कितने बजे हो? रात को कितना टाइम है? And usually I'll say, okay, at least आपको 30 to 35 minutes तो सुबह वॉक करवाना है और शाम को वॉक करवाना है, right? Now, there's a part of it as a trainer, I'm like, ये आपके बॉन्डिंग के लिए करवाना है ही और ये आपके डॉग के फिजिकल नीड के लिए करवाना है.
Okay.
Right? So
मतलब
there is a
30 मिनट में आप कहेंगे कि कुछ 15 मिनट आपके बॉन्डिंग के लिए, 15 मिनट आपके वो फिजिकल नीड के लिए.
Of course. And at the end of the day, अगर आप वॉक नहीं करवा सकते for whatever reason, I have clients that have jobs जो हफ्ते में 3 दिन travel कर रहे हैं.
I can't walk my dog down the road and
you have everybody has their own set of lives and schedules and jobs. So उसके लिए अभी तो touch wood we have walkers, we have people that can help you out in the physical activity part of it.
Right.
तो ठीक है आप walker रख लो, आपको कोई house family member है, आप divide कर लो activity वो तो है. But other than that आपको जो छोटी मोटी चीज़ें जैसे आप घर से आए हो कर लो ना 15 मिनट fetch. वो तो आपको करना है ही, right? Even if little things like even when I come back, I am also tired because I think my job is so much on my feet. We're just walking dogs and like playing with them all day and training them all day. So even if I come home, even if it means like 15 minutes of like sit down, roll over, even though it's like fun, it's at least me spending that time with her, which is important.